Kasengkun nyotrep National Awakening Movement lan nega Khnam mentagasngi galapelong ia ka Shong Kyllain Myngor ka besisngi hamadan football malki kum kadak men Pyrshah ia ka Jingbym le AA jong ka Sorkar jela Halor ka jing dawa jong ki ban penduk no ek personal interview ha ka tungkam tungjam na ka benta ka group B C but D. Working President jong ka Khnam uba Thomas Pasa ola kentho ba ka jing penrungkam ka dei ban long tang da ki examine balatho khnang ban pentikena balajit ya ki bri ki badai hok ban yo da ka ba khanglat na ka jing le don bo bat ban pentikena ya ka rukom treikam ka bakhut.
States in the country also have done away with the personal interview. The only core objective is so that we have a very clean way of recruitment for government jobs, so that we do away with nepotism, corrupt way of employment, and similarly we want the same to happen in the state. But we are very sad to inform that for the past more than 1 year now, the MD government has been turning a blind eye to these very important demands, which can only benefit the youth of the state.
Hadian ka jing sya sospon rius nam